So what are we doing right now? What are we doing right now?
The rule is you're not supposed to turn on this light when someone's driving at night.
But then they can't see shit.
Bro, that's racist. Anyways.
So right now, we're about to go impulse buy, maybe, RSX Type S, and it's a Sunday.
That's what happens when I tag Hayden and things.
And it's funny
wants to buy them every time.
Because well, that's the thing too, so I've been looking for a Honda, like either like a Civic with a B Swap 30 for cheap, like around 2 grand. And this thing just happened to pop up, so looks like we might be getting it.
Everything checks out.
Yeah, if it looks really clean.
Coming home in the trailer.
Yeah, it looks really clean if it all checks out. If it's an actual Type S and everything is, motor's not messed up, the dude says it just needs the clutch bled, definitely gonna get it. So if we end up getting it, next clip will be at the shop showing you guys what it is.
All right.
Dude, bad decisions.
Dude,
bad decisions.
It's not bad decisions if you get rid of some of your cars.
I want to get back in the Honda game though, so it should be pretty dope.
What's up, bro? You happy or what?
We just got a decently clean RSX Type S, 6-speed tranny, K20A2, leather interior, not too bad, for fucking 2,200 bucks. No bumper on it, but needs some.
Well, it's got the bumper, but it's just not on it.
The clutch needs to be bled. Dude, I have a feeling when he did the clutch on it, like he messed up the starter or did something weird, because the starter makes a weird noise when you start it up. But yeah, we're gonna go get some food and then we'll go and load it. Are you excited,
what?
Dude? Are you excited?
I'm excited that you're a Honda guy again.
You're supposed to tell me not to do it.
Dude, I told you it's your money. You can do whatever you want.
Oh, shit.
I wasn't recording the whole time. No, I'm just kidding. I could help you, but it's much funnier to just watch you do it. Here. Hit that turbo button. Wait, turbos don't have buttons, bro? Got the sick cold air intake. Looks pretty clean in video. Bro, they gave you one for the wrong car. Hey, how do these? Oh. Do they just clip in there or what?
I think so. Not very nicely.
There you go.
Oh, and this is.
Look, you could be spending money to fix this, right?
I have all the parts to fix it. It's not the time.
Well, dude, who's gonna deliver all that Blackjack and Domino's pizza? It's obviously not gonna get there in time in this thing. Was that it or what? And then what? You tighten it?
Piece of shit.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Dude, I'm really excited.
Dude, I think it's pretty clean.
Dude, a Type S? Did you show them the interior?
Oh, you want to show us the interior?
I mean, it's not super nice, but the only shitty thing is it's an 02. So it's like, I think that's the first year they came out with them. So like, it's not super nice, but it's not bad.
I mean,
it's nice enough for a race car.
Oh,
It feels pretty nice in there.
I mean, for a race car.
This is pretty clapped out though. I don't know why they did this.
Nah, dude, this is swaggy.
Dude, why is it so blurry? Piece of shit.
Dude, your camera is just blurry. What the hell, bro? You still got stuff left over.
Not that much. It's pretty close, dude.
Oh wait, you're leaving this? You're putting this on there now? Or are you gonna take that off from when we started?
No, it's gonna be on there.
Oh,
It just won't be.
just as decoration?
These pipes won't be.
Damn.
Dude, I'm pretty happy.
Dude, I don't know what Wyatt's talking about. I don't think these are bad looking cars.
Dude, I like these.
So I call dibs on this.
Yeah, this thing's coming off.
This is mine.
Fucking racer as fuck.
It's mine, bro.
Dude, it's flimsy as fuck. You can have it.
It's mine. Peace out, homie. I'm glad nobody jacks fucking trucks and trailers here.
place is pretty good. They have cameras everywhere.
Whew. It's not snowing yet.
So if you guys want to go see Carlos's really clean white Type R Integra on the dyno, it's a case setup, turbo 64, 66, made some pretty good power. I'll give a link to that right now. Show you guys in Derek's channel. But all right guys, so it is the next day. Been really busy. It's mid-afternoon right now. Been really busy doing some collectors for the Black Friday manifolds that I sold. So I kind of like at a standstill with all that stuff because I'm waiting on flanges. So thought I'd work on the RSX. And so today I'm gonna be bleeding the clutch on it, or trying to. I don't know exactly what's wrong with it. It's just what this dude says, and it has no clutch pedal. So, I mean, I'll show you, but I'm gonna take some of the intake off. I'll probably take the battery out of the way just to make sure, just make so it's easier to get to everything. Need to adjust, like the throttle cable is really sticky too for some reason. So just a little bit of adjustments on that, just kind of check it out. I have not got to actually drive the car, and if the footage from the other night, I haven't really looked at it, but if the footage from the other night is kind of shitty, sorry about that. It was really spur of the moment. And if y'all are mad, blame it on Carlos because it was his idea. But anyways, Wyatt is not here, so I actually have my girlfriend is here. She's gonna help me bleed it. I'm hoping that's the only thing actually wrong with it. So try and get the clutch blood today and go test drive it and kind of see what's wrong with it, see if I need to fix anything else. So this is actually going to be my daily, as long as there's nothing super major wrong with it, and I will be selling my CRV. So if any of you guys are confused, I am not going to be making it a race car as of yet. This is still my race car. I have everything for this. I just need to do, customer stuff comes first, so this is just a daily for now. But gonna go ahead and get some of this stuff taken out and then get to bleeding. So I already got the battery out of the way. I'm working on taking this intake out, and it's gonna be one of the first things that goes actually, because it's like a weird, it's supposed to be a cold air intake. I have no clue why they put it on there. Doesn't actually do anything, but whoever had this before clearly was, just wanted to let everybody know he was like a racer or something. But this filter is like absolutely trash. It's all rusted. What the hell, Bill? Of course. That is a fucking piece of shit. What's up?
The one on the side that I was telling you about?
Oh yeah, I didn't realize that this had an electrical plug on them.
Oh. There you go.
There.
Oh.
Now you can see the sleeve on it. So the bleeder nipple thing is like on this side of it. It's on this back side over here. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get to, but it shouldn't be too bad to do. Hopefully the clutch isn't fucked. This dude said he did the clutch on it, but I don't know. I don't know if I trust people to actually do stuff right. So I might like check over some of the bolts and stuff. But now you gotta get in the car.
Okay. There you go.
I'll show you what you gotta do. The bleeder valve on this thing is so stripped out I can't even like put any pressure on it with an 8mm wrench. Like this whole fitting is stripped out. So I'll be taking this off with some vice grips, and I'll be going to the parts store to see if I can get one of these, and then we'll be back here trying to bleed this. So I went to the parts store. They don't actually sell these, and they sell bleeders, but like where this shaft is right here, this, I don't know what you'd even call it, but it just wasn't thick enough on all the other ones that they sold.
What?
Is it focused?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I did was I just ground this out and kind of rounded it off. And then I drilled out through this 10mm nut, the same size, so that way I can slide this on here like this. Now I'm gonna put a tack, I'm gonna put a tack on the top and the bottom in a couple places, and then it should be good to go. I could buy the whole new slave with this bleeder for like 30 bucks, but I don't wanna wait, so. Good thing I have a welder.
Goosey goose. Yeah.
tell you want to push it to the floor and then hold it.
Yeah.
All right. Go. All right, now hold it there. Keep holding it. I was just adjusting the clutch pedal.
Wait.
What?
You're blurry as fuck.
We'll just let it, give it a second to adjust.
There you go.
So it's down here adjusting the clutch pedal. And dude, there's so much weed in this car. Like so much leftovers, things of weed. Like this is probably way too bright. There's a whole bunch of weed over here.
Let me show them your back.
Is there really that much weed on my back?
You're the weed man now.
I should look. But yeah, so just adjust the clutch. Got it back on there. That nut that I welded on there actually did break off, but I think we got it bled all the way. So should be good, hopefully. If not, I'll just buy a new one. But I'm about to start it up and see if it goes into gear. So hopefully.
Let's do it.
No, the clutch feels good on it, so
Okay.
we'll take it for a drive. This thing definitely needs an oil change too, so. Actually, I'm gonna vacuum it out before I take it for a drive.
All right, babes.
Okay, there's a hole in this, so I welded this. I chopped up this air intake and I got a different filter since the other one was so bad. So just gonna put it on real quick and then I'm gonna go take it for a test drive. Oh yes. Like literally everything out of it too. Like a whole bunch of dirt and shit like went through the intake. I think that's why it was so sticky. Just like I'm not digging this. I'm okay with it. Dude, that no muffler is fucking annoying. Kind of peppy though, it's not bad. That's 90.
That felt pretty good. Oh,
This is actually a pretty cool little car.
I like it.
Yeah, it makes me really miss the CRX like a lot. So just got back from driving the RSX for the first time, and I've never actually drove one of those before, so first time ever driving one, and definitely pretty fun. Definitely gonna be a really fun car to daily around. Still needs a couple little things, I guess. Definitely gonna need an oil change. Also, while I'm doing that, I'm gonna just drain the transmission also and put some synchro mesh in it. I just like that stuff, and I have no clue what's in it now or whoever did the clutch or what they did, if they just put engine oil in it, no clue. So best to do that. Tranny shifts great, no issues with it. The only thing is the reverse I guess reverse doesn't even really have a synchro, does it? I don't even know, but reverse does grind a little bit, no big deal, pretty common for them. Normally what I do is just put it in reverse first and then start it up so that way it doesn't grind. Yeah, overall, really excited about this. Really fun car. Hope you guys are excited about it. This thing feels pretty good stock, and it's gonna be real fun when I go to turbo it. So yeah, try and get this video uploaded for you guys here soon. Show you guys what's going on. And then, so if anybody's wondering, my plans are, I got these collectors made. Got these 5 made for now, almost. I'm still waiting on, like for some reason they only sent me a couple of these flanges instead of all of them that I ordered. So I'm actually gonna be working on this probably tomorrow, buttoning up some little things on this, getting it going. So plan is get this thing running, driving, then work on the RX-7. So hope you all are ready for that. So always guys, it's gonna be the end of this video. And as always, thanks for watching, and until next time, hopefully we can do some race car stuff. Carlos's Integra is done, and I also wanted to, I wasn't there for the dyno, so if you guys want to go see Carlos's really clean white Type R Integra on the dyno, it's a K setup, turbo 64, 66, made some pretty good power. I'll give a link to that right now, show you guys in Derek's channel, but hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And till next time, see ya.